Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. Welcome to E-commerce Digital Markets Digital Goods class. My name is Sri Yusmawati Muhammad Yunus and I will be the instructor for this course. This course has divided into three sections. The first one will be the features of e-commerce. The second one will be the business and revenue models. And the last one will be the Ecommerce. After completing the first section, you should be able to understand the unique features of e-commerce, digital markets, and digital goods. Today, purchasing goods and services online by using smartphones, tablets, and desktop computers has become ubiquitous. In 2020, an estimated 2.25 billion people, over 55% of the global internet population, will purchase online. E-commerce is composed of three major segments: retail goods, travel and services, and online content. Unlike traditional sales, which dropped by almost 6% due to the COVID-19 pandemic, worldwide e-commerce retail sales grew by over 16% in 2020. E-commerce has expanded from the desktop and home computer to mobile devices, from an isolated activity to a new social commerce. This graph illustrates the continuing growth of e-commerce. The growth of e-commerce revenues grew 15% to 25% a year until the recession of 2008 until 2009, when they slowed measurably to a small positive number around 3% in 2009. This was much better than traditional retail commerce, which actually shrank in this recession. E-commerce began growing again after 2009 at more than 10%, several times the growth of all retail sales. Although the COVID-19 pandemic in 2020 has significantly decreased digital travel sales, it has resulted in a significant increase in retail e-commerce revenues as consumers shift to online purchasing, a trend that is likely to continue even once the pandemic has passed. You can look into the graph, about the from year in 1995 until 2022. From the Statista.com show that many industries already shift to e-commerce methods such as fashion, healthcare, and electronics. This slide introduces the unique features of the internet. These features will explain why e-commerce has grown so quickly because of the unique nature of the internet and e-commerce, which are richer and more powerful than previous technology revolutions such as radio and TV. We can look here, we have 8 features. The first one will be the ubiquity, the second one will be the global reach, interactivity, personalization and customization, universal standards, richness, information density, and the last one will be the social technology. Ubiquity is the internet or web technology is available everywhere, at work, at home, and elsewhere. The marketplace is extended beyond traditional boundaries. Market space is created and shopping can take place anytime, anywhere. The second one will be the global reach. It is a being able to buy products from another country. Commerce is enabled cross-cultural and national boundaries seamlessly and without modification. The market space includes millions of consumers and millions of businesses worldwide. The third one will be your universal standards. We use the internet standard. It's being able to exchange files with someone else and easily communicate with each other. And number 4 is the richness. They support video, audio, and text message and integrated into a single marketing message and consumer experience such as YouTube. Okay, the next one will be the interactivity. We're using a chat window to interact with technical support at a merchant's website between the user and the seller. The next one, it will be the information density, being able to find hundreds of prices for the same products online from different merchants. Information becomes plentiful, cheap, and more accurate. The next one will be personalization and customization, website that adjusts to your preferences, such as Amazon. And the last one will be the social technology. New internet social and business models enables user content creation and distribution and support the social network. The internet has created a digital marketplace where millions of people all over the world can exchange massive amounts of information directly, instantly, and free. And the internet will reduce the information asymmetry. What is information asymmetry? It exists when one party in a transaction has more information that is important for the transaction than the other party. For example, you must have the same information like the other people who want to buy the same product. For example, here we can look into the website to find about the price of the products. Okay, digital markets are inflexible and efficient because they operate with reduced search and transaction costs, lower menu costs, greater price discrimination, and ability to change price dynamically based on market conditions. And we call it as a dynamic pricing. It's a price of a product varies depending on the demand characteristics of the consumer or the supply situation of the seller. For example, we have Uber or Grab because it will follow the activities from the consumer itself. Okay, the next one, e-commerce has also given rise to a completely new set of new intermediaries such as Amazon, eBay, PayPal, and Blue Now. Therefore, this intermediation differs from one industry to another. What is we call as a disintermediation? Disintermediation is we remove of organization or any intermediary steps who are responsible. For example, we don't have the agent, we don't have the what we call as the we call it as many steps, okay, at one time. So for example, here it is affecting the market for services such as an airline and hotels that operate their own reservation site online. They earn more per ticket because they have eliminated the travel agent, okay, as intermediaries. Okay, so they can cut off the step, okay, for this intermediation. Okay, the next one we have digital goods. Digital goods is a goods that can be delivered over a digital network, such as we have music tracks, video, Hollywood movies, software, newspaper, magazines, and books. So the cost of producing the first unit is equal almost entire cost of product. And that is why we need to charge, okay, for the digital goods. Okay, we cannot give it freely to the user. Okay, and then the cost of delivery over internet is very low, and the marketing cost remains the same, and the pricing highly variable. So this is the how the internet changes the markets for digital goods. We can see here the differences between the digital goods and traditional goods. In terms of marginal cost, okay, for digital goods will be zero. The traditional goods greater than zero, might be higher. The cost of producing, the digital goods might be high, okay, most of the cost, and the copying cost will be approximately zero. Okay, distributed will be very low because we use the internet. The inventory cost will be low, marketing cost will be variable, and the pricing more variable because we do the random pricing games. And that's all for the first section. Thank you for watching, and I hope I can see you for the next section later. Thank you very much. Bye bye.